Hello guys, behind me stands my fully upgraded and now lighter Himalayan 411. Let me take you to the workshop and show you everything we did to it. The main goal of this project is to make my bike lighter, because let's be honest, 200 kilos for this bike is stupidly heavy. The struggle is not when I'm riding, but I'm still, move it when I parked or uphill, this kind of things. I'm only 165 tall. And of course, the struggle to pick it up when it falls. So the goal is to try to get this Himi to weigh 50 kilos less. Yes, 50 kilos is a lot, but it's good to have big goals in life, no? Will I make it? Let's see. So to make this project even possible, here I am. I rode all the way to Amsterdam, where the two Bobs from Bob's Bike Shop will help me with this crazy idea. The plan is to remove as many useless things as possible to make it lighter and to replace stock parts by much better and lighter ones. This is when Hitchcock Motorcycle enters the game, sending me over new, super cool and way more sexy parts for my bike. Thank you so much. And this project will end with my big dream since several years. I want to repaint my bike. I'm not saying more for now. Let's go inside and see what Bob has to say.
You're already in frame.
Maybe? Okay. Hi.
Hi.
I'm at 2 meters altitude.
Yeah.
How tall are you? 1?
2 meters.
2?
Yeah.
200?
203.
203. We have problems with the wheels and rims. Explain, because I have no idea of the words for all these technical parts.
Well, basically we want the wheels to be lighter, so we need lighter hubs. But unfortunately they're not available here in Europe for the Himalayan.
So we could get only the...
Only the rims, not the hubs.
Okay, which is not really worth it.
No, it would be stronger, but you're not gonna rally it. She?
Then we have still the question if we want to change the battery, because the lithium one is lighter, but it has disadvantages.
It has a few disadvantages. Charged in a different way, and
Could just burn the entire bike.
it could just blow up. Could ruin your day.
And we're not sure if the Himalayan system is really done for.
Yeah, have to check that.
He has to check.
That's about it.
Oh, the little feet thing for the passenger, because there's no passenger. This is a solo trip.
We're gonna take the secondary air system off.
The what?
The secondary air system.
The what?
The what?
What's that?
That's cheating hardware.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know that.
We're gonna take that off.
We're gonna do that.
Don't tell the Swiss government.
Don't put this on YouTube.
Don't put this in YouTube. No.
We're gonna change with the exhaust also the tube.
Yeah, the downpipe and the muffler.
Okay. So what I was talking about is we're gonna change. We're gonna change the exhaust. Oh, it's still hot.
Yeah.
We're gonna change here the entire
That'll do.
system, and we're gonna remove something in there. I cannot see anymore. One thing I didn't mention yet that I'm gonna do here a lot is learn. Oh yes, I'm gonna learn a lot. Oh, the skid plate is called?
Yeah.
Maybe aluminium, maybe plastic. And I want to install heating grips, which also will not help at all with the weight, but with my survival. Maybe remove one of the mud guards. It's just decoration.
Yeah. I wanted to remove the whole front end, but
Oh yeah, that. Explain that. I'm lost with that.
a lot.
Explain them.
Well, if we put the headlight on the front fork, take all the steel fairing off, and the windshield, it's gonna be a lot lighter.
Oh, you want to remove the windshield?
Everything up front.
We cannot remove the windshield because it's an adventure bike to travel.
Yeah.
Just remove the entire.
Yeah, move that to the front fork so it turns with the forks. And we take all the tubing off.
Which I can't because I have a fuel tank and a snack bag that come on the.
Snack bag, fuck fuel.
But yeah, that's an option.
Yeah.
For people wanting to do the same.
I want to take the rear end of the bike off, cut it off, move the license plate higher up,
Oh yes,
make it lighter.
I like that.
Maybe take the rear light off, put a little small rear light on. It's going to be lighter.
And I'm gonna take out the central stand.
That's going to save some weight. Even though that's low down, so you're not really going to feel the difference. Pick up.
But I'm anyway never using it because I can put it on the central stand on my own. I can just put the central stand on again if I regret.
We'll just leave it here. So if you have to work on the bike, we can put it on there. We can just put it on the center stand. Yeah, good idea.
Once we've done this, we're gonna add a bunch of cool things to make it look better, feel better, ride better, maybe. Maybe.
Oh, we're definitely going to change the handling.
Not the rider skills though.
No, but maybe if the handling is bad. No.
So once we remove all this weight, we're gonna add new shit, so it's gonna weigh the same again.
But it might actually be a little light.
Let's go weight it. Test number 1. So we're here for first time. I took off all the things that were on the bike that are not original parts. A part of the handlebars actually. And we're just waiting for the weight to be freed, and we're gonna weight my little Himi. So it should be weighing 199 kilos, they say. But I already took away all the rear rack and the pannier holder and everything. So I hope the bike is already a little bit lighter. Let's see. I'm actually really curious about that. I have no idea how much it's gonna weigh. It might also get lighter when I clean it. How much lighter? Like 1 kilo? 2 kilos? It's really dirty.
Coming out.
Maybe. That little bike. 5 grams. 200 kilos.
Oh.
Wow.
Gaan wij er nu helemaal vanaf?
I was expecting less.
Hij moet lichter worden of zo?
Ja. Ja, met haar hoogte is...
That's really disappointing. Little Himi, 200 kilo of dust. 200 kilos. Fuck. So the rack are actually not part of the weight.
Like I said, they always cheat a little with the weight.
Those guys are like maybe, I don't know, 200 grams. And the fuel is low, so it would even be a few more kilos with the fuel.
Are you going to say with sand?
With sand. Yeah, we have 1 kilo of sand here. But yeah, I was expecting less, so that's gonna be interesting now. Shit. Okay. Let's go clean it and dismount it as much as we can. We forgot to say that I also have the crash bars, which are quite heavy. They're quite heavy material. Let's give it a good clean, because to be honest, that might actually really reduce the weight. Bob is cleaning it with some special acid, and then I will give it a second round with water and soap.
Also, like I said, if you wash things, you see more. I just want to see if I discover any good.
He says that he cleans it to see if he can find something broken and just see it better. But basically what he's saying is that he doesn't even trust me to clean my own bike.
Have you looked at it?
I just took it.
Really easy system. It's really good.
Ta-da! After you cleaning the bike like that, I'm not sure it's even useful that I do a second cleaning with just the soap.
Oh, definitely. Because the soap's going to neutralize all the acid I'm using right now.
Oh, here it's still super dirty. There's like 5 kilos of earth. Oh, look at that. Okay, yeah, it was a bit dirty. Yeah, I got official permission to touch my bike and clean it. And then rinse it, dry it, and ready for phase 2. Let's dismount it.
What are you going to do?
Dismount everything that I just mounted 2 days ago with my bike. Okay, phase 1. Take out everything we can and try to keep in order and not lose all the small bolts. Okay, let's see how to take out this guy. Okay, this is starting well. I have the feeling everything is gonna take way more time than in my head. Fuck. Oopsie. Yes. Yay! 10 grams less. Oh shit. Ah. Actually really painful. Maybe I should wear my gloves. Really protected. I really thought that taking off the skid plate would be one of the easy jobs. Let me take out the skid plate. I just can't reach it anymore with any tool. Why am I here? Why about it. Okay, to take out the skid plate, I will have to remove the exhaust first. Easier said than done. Question. What else do I have to remove the exhaust? Oh, here?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Please ignore me. Thank you. That's so fucking unfair. Oh my god.
Turning with it now.
This is not a workshop, this is a YouTube video. What on earth are we doing here?
We're heating it up. It can't be tight if it's a liquid.
You're not burning my bike, eh?
Are you attached to it? How are you feeling?
Unsafe.
There's no more nuts, that's the issue.
It just turns in the air.
No, that's fucked.
It's fucked?
Yeah, it's never gonna come off again.
Okay, then I
Just
feel
have to-
less guilty.
You have to cut it.
Oh shit.
No, we don't. You're gonna change all this off.
Yeah,
Just take the whole thing.
somewhere else.
Yeah.
I don't know
Front.
where, but yeah. Just slightly fucked. All this exhaust story just because I'm trying to take out the skid plate and I can't. Oh my god. This is such an annoying place.
It's gonna be fun.
In the next episode, we're gonna remove more stuff from the bike and try to remove the exhaust. See you in the next one.